Hi everyone, I just wanted to review this lesson that we did this morning for foundations. This is a foundations paragraph called The Big Mess. They should be able to tap this out or use their foundation knowledge to sound it out. We talked about scooping and not sounding like a robot. So I just wanted to go through with this with you just so that everybody understands what scooping is. So scooping is breaking up your sentences so that you don't sound like a robot and that you're taking breaths in appropriate places. So for example, let me see if I can highlight this. The first one, the hall was such a big mess. I wouldn't want to read it like that. I wouldn't want to read it like a robot either. The hall was such a big mess. I'd like to scoop it or break it up so that it sounds more fluent. That's what we're looking for. So we could say the hall was such a big mess. So when I break that up and I read it, the hall was such a big mess. It sounds more fluent, they're taking breaths, and it's easier to understand. So we can go to the next one. Mom was not mad. Now, you can scoop sentences in different ways. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. I could say, oops, sorry, technical difficulty. I could say, Mom was not mad. So I could scoop this in a different way. She did not yell, but she said, pick this up. Now, this one has dialogue in it, and we talked about dialogue last week in our small groups. So we want them to kind of change their voices so that the reader knows that there is dialogue there. So if I was going to scoop this sentence, I would do it this way. She did not yell, but she said, pick this up. So far this would sound like this. The hall was such a big mess. Mom was not mad. She did not yell, but she said, pick this up. What a mess, said Mom. Okay, we're just really looking for them to be fluent, have their sentences flow, take breaths, and not sound choppy like a robot. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'd be happy to help. Have a great day.